जिनो प्रुडंट T20 कप 2017चो बॅटल आयतारच्यान सुरू. ह्या सर्तीच्या पहिल्याच पर्वात गोंयचो 12 नामनेचे पंगड वांटेकार जाल्यात. सर्त पर्वरी GCA ग्राउंडार जातली. आयतारची पहिली मॅच सकाळी 9:30 घुमटेश्वर मडगांव आनी बांदे स्पोर्ट्स क्लब आनी दुसरी मॅच दनपार 2 गोवा पुलीस आनी अल्बर्ट डेव्हलपर्स पंगडा मदीं जातली. पळया जिनो प्रुडंट T20 कप 2017ची तयारी.
Watch all the cricketing action where your favorite team battle it out at Gino Prudent T20 in association with Goa Cricket Association, co-sponsored by Anand Bose Constructions, supported by Sri Michael Lobo, Honorable Deputy Speaker, our associate sponsors, Deccan Fine Chemicals, Ozone Group, Riker Jewelers, Man of the Series sponsor, Wilg Motors, Jersey sponsor, AG Garments and Fogiri Caterers, trophy sponsored by Angles, prize sponsored by Timex, Fitness Bar, Studio 9 Ventures, Momentum sponsored by Duri Events, Internet partner G-Wave, Stage partner Siddhi Decorators, Beverage partner Kingfisher Suraj Pirkavkar, Hospitality partner The Crown, Print media partners The Goan Everyday and Goan Varta, participating teams Albert Developers, Amar Brothers Maratha Warriors, Bade Sports Club, Dempo Juniors, Gumteshwar Margaon, Goa Police, Korchue Sports Club, Krishna Construction Sunday Champs, Maye Union Sports Club, Nityanand Sports Club, United 11 and Were United. Cricketing fever starts from 10th to 17th December at GCA Porori Grounds and highlights on Prudent. So come support your favorite team at Gino Prudent T20. Well, as the sun sets for today, we are less than 24 hours for the inaugural match of the first edition of Gino Prudent T20 here at Goa Cricket Academy Association ground, that is at Porori. 12 teams are going to battle it out in the next 6 days. The tournament starts from 10th to 17th of December. The final is happening on 17th of December. All the action, all the excitement is going to be here. So it's not going to be a normal Sunday, normal lazy Sunday, or rather a Sushegat Sunday. It's going to be a very exciting power-packed Sunday here at the GCA Academy grounds. So come in huge numbers and support your team. This has been an exciting feeling for the players participating in this tournament, as well as the sponsors who have been associated with this particular initiative. That's Gino Prudent T20. So come in huge numbers, and we look forward to see you from 10th to 17th of December here at the Goa Cricket Association ground, Porori. So with camera person Onkar Farari, Rohit Wadkar, Prudent.
इंडियन सुपर लीग सर्तीत FC गोवान पेजाद खेळ करीत केरला ब्लास्टर्साचेर जैत जोडले. FC गोवाचो स्टार प्लेयर कोरोन आनी एक हॅट्रिक केली. लांजारोटेन केल्ल्या 2 गोलांच्या नेटार FC गोवान केरला ब्लास्टर्साक पहिल्या हाफांत 2-2 गोलांन आडावन धरिल्ले. दुसऱ्या हाफांत कोरोच्या हॅट्रिक नेटार मोठे जैत जोडले. फातोड्ड्या जाल्ल्या मॅचीत फॅन्सांक एंटरटेनिंग आनी फास्ट मॅच पळोवंक मेळ्ळी. FC गोवाचे 4 मॅचींनी 9 पॉयंट जाल्यात. हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.